Hello everyone, this is Luke with BMP Lamp Supply. In today's tutorial, we will be going over chain drop fixtures. In particular, item number 69510, a polished and lacquered brass chain drop. The first thing we'll look at is the socket, which has a rod accompanied with a lock nut and a tightening nut, and this rod, along with the nuts mentioned, are a 1/8 IP configuration. The next thing we'll look at is the bell, which is item number 10929. The socket accompanied with the wires and rod will slide through the bottom hole of the bell, and the socket will slide down until it meets with the locking nut and the tightening nut at the right height you want it inside the bell, which shown here will be right in line with the inside lip of the bell and the top of the socket, which allows you to get your bulb in there freely and gives enough space between the bulb and your glass fixture that will be applied at the end of the video. The next part we'll look at is item number 10808, which is called the canopy. It slides down over the rod and touches the bell of the fixture. Then a lock nut is applied, and then the last nut, which is another 1/8 IP tightening nut, will be applied, cinched down, and made sure the connection is secure. While that's being done, BNP and Antique Lamp Supply websites offer these fixtures in a variety of colors, one being the one displayed here, antique brass, bronze, nickel, and unfinished raw steel. The next part that will be used is called a crossbar, which is item number 22910. This crossbar is made for this style of fixture in mind, as it has two end holes that are 8/32 size that allow for the thumb screws that will be used to screw into those holes, and the sidebars in the crossbar will be used to install onto the junction box in somebody's ceiling. As you can see, the crossbar slides over the wire and the rod, as what will be holding the fixture are the two thumb screws shown here, which are item number 20900. As you can see, the screws will go in just enough to hold everything in place for shipping. And the last piece of this puzzle are the beaded chain pieces. Each kit or each chain drop fixture will come with a baggie that has two 8/32 screws that allow you to attach your crossbar to the junction box, and the three beaded chain pieces that measure at 6 inches, and they each have a ball on the end shown here. The ball and the beaded chain is used to hold your glass globe in place with the fixture. You'll see the bell on the chain drop has 3 keyhole slits in it that allow you to slide your beaded chain into the groove, and it locks in place with the pressure and the weight of the glass holding it down. It's a very easy application to hold your glass fixture in place. And as you can see, you have plenty of room for your bulb to come out of the bell and shine into the glass. Thank you guys for watching.